Making cupcakes is a fun and rewarding baking project. Here's a simple cupcake recipe along with basic instructions to get you started. All-purpose flour, granulated sugar, unsalted butter, softened, milk, whole or 2%, eggs, baking powder, vanilla extract, salt. 1. Stockensfire door dear. Preheat your oven to 350 degree, 75 degree. Line a cupcake tin with cupcake liners. 2. In a medium bowl, combine the flour, baking powder, and salt. Whisk them together and set aside. 3. In a large mixing bowl, cream the softened butter and sugar together using an electric mixer on medium speed until the mixture is light and fluffy, about 3 to 4 minutes. 4. Add the eggs one at a time, mixing well after each addition. Then add the vanilla extract and mix until combined. 5. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet mixture, alternating with milk. Start and end with the flour mixture. Flour, milk, flour, milk, flour. Mix until just combined. Do not overmix. 6. Use a cookie scoop or a tablespoon to fill each cupcake liner about 2-3 full with the batter. 7. Bake in the preheated oven for 18-20 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. 8. Let the cupcakes cool in the pan for 5 minutes, then transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely before frosting. You can use store-bought frosting or make your own. Here's a simple buttercream frosting recipe. Unsalted butter, softened, powdered sugar, vanilla extract, milk, as needed. 1. In a bowl, beat the softened butter using an electric mixer until creamy. 2. Gradually add powdered sugar, mixing on low until incorporated, then increase to medium speed. 3. Add vanilla extract and milk, mixing until desired consistency is achieved. If too thick, add more milk. If too thin, add more powdered sugar. 4. Frost cupcakes as desired. Customize your cupcakes with sprinkles, chocolate chips, or other flavors to suit your taste. Enjoy baking and decorating your delicious cupcakes.